Now I'm going to show you the Math Clock app. Here I'm actually using the web version. So this is the version that I've accessed on my laptop, and there's the address. And the app on the iPad is the exact same. So let's say we want a new clock. So we click on the new clock here, and I'm going for the geared hand clock. So here's my clock, and it moves like a real clock. So let's say there's my time, 2:30. You can use the text tool to write in the time, or you can use numbers, 2:30, to show the digital time. So there and there my clock, and you can move the time and also make it a little bit bigger if you want. Oops. Okay. Now when you want a new clock, again another geared hand clock, and let's say I ask the children I want to show 1 hour later, so we go to 3:30, and again you can label your clock. The second type of hand is free moving hands. So these hands move independently of each other. So again, you can ask the children to show a time, let's say 1:45. They can label the clock. This might be handy as well. You have the clock with fractions. So let's say I'll divide my clock into 4 equal parts. And it helps with teaching time and fractions. So say OK, and you can colour in. How do you colour them in? Oh yeah, here. I can colour one of my use colours, so you might find that useful. Work done on this app can be shared to Seesaw, and I'll show you how to do that. You can click on the sharing icon here. You can save the image, and then a photograph of the page will go to the photos album, and the children can upload that from the photos to the Seesaw account. Or you can click on copy link, and the children can paste that link into their Seesaw account. I think it would be useful as well. You could create an activity in Seesaw, maybe a whole lot of clock faces, different times, and the children would have to label the times, or maybe have times written down, and the children would have to show the clocks. To copy a clock, let's say this clock, you can copy it. Just click on copy. That's the copy icon there, and to show 1 hour after that time, move it on 1 hour. And then let's say copy this clock, so that's 4:30, and the new clock is going to be 5:30. So that's just a quick demonstration of the Math Clock. I hope you find it useful.